Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got a brand new 2022 model F250 straight from Tough Trucks Australia. So this is a Performax converted truck. We've got it into Big Dog Builds pre-rego. Aaron is from Mildura, Victoria. He's flying up this week, going to go down and get it registered up. But before it's registered, we've gone and installed a Carli 3.5-inch Pintop kit. Being the Tremor spec, it is a lot higher in the rear than the front. It's got the 2-inch lift all round, but it still has that factory rake to it. So going for the Carli 3.5-inch will definitely level out the truck, keep the front matched to the rear, and be a much better shock system all round. A lot of people think getting into these Tremor models is going to give you upgraded suspension. It will give you a 2-inch lift. The shockies still aren't what's really suited to these Australian roads over here that we've got. So the potholes, the corrugations when we're going off-road, you definitely need to upgrade these shocks. The 2-inch height's nice, so what we've done then is leveled that out a little bit more, like I said. So the 3.5-inch in the front. In the rear, we've gone for the Carli 2.5-inch shocks. So these are Carli Kings shocks for the rear. Swapping out the factory ones in the back is definitely necessary for those guys towing any heavy loads or loading the rear up. You'll definitely feel the difference here. For this one, we've also installed the Firestone airbags to the rear with the Daystar cradles. So the benefit for this one is the airbag can still lift up from the seat, relocate itself into that bottom seat and still get good articulation in the truck. Flexing up off-road, really good. Having the upgraded shock to handle all the impacts of our roads. Off-road, on-road, all round, this is going to be the best platform for this F-truck. Being a Performax converted truck, we still have the different steering arm on this one. So we have to watch what kit we put into these trucks in Australia. There's a few different conversion companies doing different changes under the bonnet and under the front here. So having the separate pitman arm means that we can't run the torsion sway bar from Carli. So what we've done is just gone with the Carli Levelling Kit sway bar end links. So these are going to be a much better product. They're a serviceable end link. You can put a bit of grease in them, maintain them, and they're going to last a lot longer than the factory parts. And under the front, we've also gone for the Carli low mount steering stabilizer with the built-in diff guard. So nice solid diff guard on this one to protect everything underneath. They've gone and smartly used a nice little bracket off this for the low mount steering stabilizer. It's going to give you a lot better feedback through the steering wheel. With the converted trucks here, there is lots of different models that drive differently on the road here. So adding a low mount steering stabilizer is going to take a lot of the feedback from potholes or those slow wombat holes or fast driving corrugations. So yeah, a lot less feedback through the steering here. Carli products, like we've said here at Big Dog Builds, are next to some of the best in the world. So we're really enjoying fitting all of these to the F-trucks. I look forward to having more in the Big Dog Build workshop. And if you've got a Tremor or any type of F-truck on order, get in touch today. We look forward to building your kit. This one's the Levelling Kit, like I said, the 3.5 in the front, just the shock swap in the rear being the Tremor model. We can do a few different sizes of lifts depending on your application. If you're going a canopy, if you like this one and it's just keeping the standard tub, you're just loading up the rear a little bit. Getting these vehicles driving the best way possible is definitely the must. So adding wheels and tires after the suspension is going to get this truck looking amazing. I look forward to seeing it in the future.